What is happening, tech fans, and welcome back to Xiaomi Insider. The pace of innovation never slows, and this week is no exception. We've got groundbreaking announcements, exciting reveals, and some serious buzz about what's next. Get ready, because you won't want to miss a single second of these unmissable updates rolling in from the world of Xiaomi and beyond. First up, the wearable tech arena is absolutely exploding with growth, and a major player is making some serious waves. Then, we're diving deep into the future of mobile, with an exclusive first look at what could be the next big thing in smartphones. After that, we're talking budget-friendly powerhouses that are hitting the market and how they stack up. And finally, we're looking at the broader financial and tech landscape with some key insights into market flows. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. The smart glass revolution is here. The smart glasses market is experiencing an unprecedented surge, with reports indicating a staggering 110% growth in the first half of 2025. This explosive expansion is being fueled by significant new product launches from industry giants, including Meta and Xiaomi, signaling a pivotal moment for wearable augmented reality technology. As these sophisticated devices move from niche gadgets to mainstream consumer electronics, their impact is set to redefine how we interact with digital information and the physical world around us. The landscape of wearable technology is rapidly evolving, and smart glasses are at the forefront of this transformation. In the first half of 2025 alone, the market has witnessed a remarkable 110% increase in growth, a testament to the accelerating consumer interest and technological advancements in this sector. This surge is largely attributed to the highly anticipated releases from major tech players. Meta, a company already deeply invested in the metaverse, has introduced new iterations of its smart glasses, aiming to blend digital experiences more seamlessly into everyday life. Simultaneously, Xiaomi, a global leader in consumer electronics, has also launched its latest smart glasses, pushing the boundaries of innovation with features designed to enhance productivity, communication, and entertainment. These launches are not just about incremental upgrades. They represent a concerted effort by these companies to establish dominance in a market that is projected to become a significant pillar of the future tech ecosystem. The core appeal of modern smart glasses lies in their ability to overlay digital information directly onto the wearer's field of vision. This can range from navigation cues and real-time notifications to contextual data about the environment or individuals. For professionals, this means hands-free access to crucial information, potentially boosting efficiency in fields like logistics, manufacturing, and healthcare. For consumers, it offers a more intuitive and less intrusive way to stay connected and informed, without constantly needing to pull out a smartphone. The technology powering these devices is becoming increasingly sophisticated, with improvements in display clarity, battery life, processing power, and form factor. Companies are working to make smart glasses lighter, more stylish, and more comfortable for extended wear, addressing some of the key barriers to widespread adoption. Furthermore, the development of robust software ecosystems, including app stores and developer tools, is crucial for unlocking the full potential of these devices. As more applications become available, the utility and appeal of smart glasses will undoubtedly grow. The competitive landscape is heating up, with numerous startups and established tech companies vying for market share. This intense competition is driving innovation at an accelerated pace, leading to more advanced features and potentially more accessible price points in the future. The substantial market growth observed in the first half of 2025 indicates that smart glasses are transitioning from a futuristic concept to a tangible reality, poised to become an integral part of our daily lives. Industry analysts are closely watching the adoption rates and consumer feedback following these high-profile launches, with many predicting that smart glasses will soon rival smartphones in terms of market penetration and influence. The buzz on social media reflects a growing curiosity and excitement about the practical applications and the potential for these devices to fundamentally change how we interact with technology. Hold on tight because the innovation doesn't stop there. Next, we're getting an exclusive sneak peek at the future of Xiaomi's mobile ecosystem. Xiaomi's next leap, a glimpse into Xiaomi 16 and HyperOS 3. Prepare for a significant evolution in Xiaomi's smartphone and operating system offerings. Recent insights suggest that the upcoming Xiaomi 16 series, coupled with the next iteration of their custom Android skin, HyperOS 3, is poised to introduce a host of groundbreaking features and user experience enhancements. This development is particularly noteworthy as Xiaomi continues its aggressive push into the premium smartphone segment and seeks to further refine its integrated software ecosystem. As a leader in the competitive mobile technology sector, Xiaomi is perpetually working on its next flagship devices and underlying software. The anticipation surrounding the Xiaomi 16 series and HyperOS 3 is palpable, with early information pointing towards substantial advancements. The Xiaomi 16 is expected to represent a significant leap forward in hardware capabilities, potentially featuring next-generation processors that offer unparalleled performance and power efficiency. Rumors suggest a focus on camera innovation, possibly incorporating advanced sensor technology, enhanced image processing algorithms, and novel photographic modes that could set new benchmarks for mobile photography. Display technology is also a key area of development, with expectations of brighter, more vibrant screens with higher refresh rates and improved durability. Beyond the hardware, the integration with HyperOS 3 is critical. HyperOS has been Xiaomi's ambitious project to create a unified operating system experience across its diverse range of products, from smartphones and smart home devices to wearables and even vehicles. HyperOS 3 is expected to build upon this foundation, offering a more streamlined, intelligent, and interconnected user experience. Key improvements could include enhanced AI capabilities for personalized user assistance, more robust cross-device synchronization, and a refined user interface that is both intuitive and visually appealing. Security and privacy are also likely to be paramount, with HyperOS 3 potentially introducing new measures to protect user data and ensure a secure digital environment. The development of HyperOS 3 is not just about software updates. It's about solidifying Xiaomi's ecosystem strategy. By providing a consistent and high-quality software experience across all its devices, Xiaomi aims to foster greater brand loyalty and create a sticky ecosystem that encourages users to invest in multiple Xiaomi products. This approach mirrors strategies employed by other major tech giants and positions Xiaomi for long-term growth in an increasingly connected world. The success of the Xiaomi 16 and HyperOS 3 will depend on their ability to deliver on these promises and differentiate themselves in a crowded market. Early indicators suggest that Xiaomi is investing heavily in research and development to ensure these upcoming products are not just competitive, but category-defining. The industry will be watching closely to see how these new offerings reshape user expectations and influence the direction of smartphone technology. Tech enthusiasts and industry observers are abuzz with speculation about the specific innovations these devices will bring, with many anticipating that Xiaomi will once again push the envelope in terms of performance, design, and intelligent features. But the innovation doesn't stop at the flagship level. Get ready to explore some of Xiaomi's most accessible, yet surprisingly capable, new devices. Redmi 15 series, value redefined for the everyday user. The Redmi 15 series has officially landed, offering a compelling mix of features and affordability that targets the mass market. With multiple variants catering to different needs and network preferences, Xiaomi is reinforcing its commitment to providing feature-rich devices at accessible price points. This latest lineup aims to balance performance, battery life, and display quality, making them strong contenders in the competitive budget smartphone segment. Xiaomi's Redmi brand has long been synonymous with value, and the new Redmi 15 series continues this legacy. The lineup includes 4G and 5G models, with the Redmi 15 5G and Redmi 15 4G being the initial offerings, and the Redmi 15C 5G soon to follow. Let's break down what makes these devices stand out. The Redmi 15 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 6's Gen 3, a 6nm chipset that promises efficient performance for everyday tasks and moderate gaming. It's essentially a rebranded Snapdragon 695, offering a solid 5G experience. The Redmi 15 4G, on the other hand, utilizes the Snapdragon 685. While both chipsets are capable, the 5G variant benefits from the newer silicon. A key differentiator between the 4G and 5G models is the inclusion of a microSD card slot on the 4G variant, alongside an additional storage option of 256 GB, whereas the 5G model is available with 128 GB storage. Both devices boast expansive 6.9-inch IPS LCD displays with a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, which is quite impressive for their price bracket. The 1080p+ resolution ensures sharp visuals, enhancing the viewing experience for media consumption and browsing. Powering these large displays are substantial 7,000 mAh batteries, supported by 33W fast charging, ensuring users can stay connected and powered up throughout the day. For durability, both models come with an IP64 rating for splash resistance. Camera capabilities include a 50MP main sensor on the rear, capable of shooting video at 1080p at 30 FPS, and an 8MP front-facing camera for selfies. Comparing these to their predecessors, the Redmi 13 5G and 13 4G reveals some interesting trade-offs. The older models had slightly smaller 6.79-inch displays with lower refresh rates, 120Hz and 90Hz respectively, and a less robust IP53 rating. Their batteries were smaller at 5,030 mAh, though they also supported 33W charging. Notably, the Redmi 13 series featured higher resolution cameras, 108MP rear, 13MP front, and retained the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is absent in the Redmi 15 series. The Redmi 15C 4G presents a slightly different proposition. It also features a large 6.9-inch display, but with a 120Hz IPS LCD panel and a lower 720p+ resolution, which might be noticeable on such a large screen. It's powered by the older Helio G81 Ultra chipset. However, it does include a microSD slot and a 3.5mm jack, and its 6,000 mAh battery still supports 33W charging. This positions the 15C as a more budget-conscious option, possibly for users who prioritize screen size and basic functionality over cutting-edge performance or camera quality. The pricing details indicate a strategic approach to market segmentation, with each model offering distinct advantages to attract different consumer segments. The decision between the 5G and 4G models, or opting for the 15C, will likely hinge on individual priorities regarding connectivity, storage, and specific features like the headphone jack. Consumer sentiment appears divided, with some praising the large displays and battery capacities, while others express disappointment over the removal of the headphone jack and the camera specifications compared to the previous generation. And that brings us to the broader economic currents shaping the tech world. We'll explore the latest financial flows impacting key Asian tech companies. HK Connect flows weekly, navigating the currents of Asian tech investment. The latest HK Connect Flow's weekly report highlights significant investment movements and market trends among prominent Asian technology companies, offering crucial insights for investors tracking the region's dynamic economic landscape. This week's update focuses on key players like Xiaomi, Kuaishou, Wuxi Biologics, Alibaba, BYD Electronic, and Anta, illustrating the diverse sectors experiencing notable capital inflows and outflows. The Hong Kong Connect scheme, a crucial channel linking mainland China's capital markets with Hong Kong, continues to be a barometer for investor sentiment towards Chinese companies. The weekly flow data provides a granular view of which sectors and specific companies are attracting or shedding investment, offering a timely snapshot of market confidence and strategic capital allocation. This week's report underscores the resilience and continued growth potential of the Asian tech sector, despite broader global economic uncertainties. Xiaomi, a global consumer electronics giant, is consistently a focus of investor attention, reflecting its expanding product ecosystem and increasing market share across various segments, from smartphones to smart home devices. Its inclusion in the weekly flows suggests ongoing investor interest in its growth trajectory. Kuaishou, a major short video platform and live streaming e-commerce company, represents the booming social media and digital entertainment sector. Significant flows into Kuaishou would indicate sustained confidence in its user engagement and monetization strategies. WuXi Biologics, a leading contract research, development, and manufacturing organization, CRDMO in the biopharmaceutical industry, highlights the strength of the healthcare and biotechnology sectors in the region. Investment trends here often reflect advancements in drug discovery and manufacturing capabilities, crucial for global health supply chains. Alibaba, the e-commerce and technology conglomerate, remains a bellwether for the digital economy in China. Any notable flows involving Alibaba can signal shifts in consumer spending patterns, cloud computing adoption, or its broader digital ecosystem strategy. BYD Electronic, the manufacturing arm of the electric vehicle giant BYD, points to the burgeoning electric vehicle and related technology supply chain. Investment in BYD Electronic often correlates with the global push towards electrification and the demand for components like batteries and electronic systems for EVs. Antisports Products, a prominent sportswear and footwear company, represents the consumer discretionary sector, particularly in apparel and lifestyle. Its performance in the flows data can indicate consumer spending trends on branded goods and the company's ability to compete in a global market. Understanding these flows is vital for investors seeking to capitalize on the growth opportunities within Asia's rapidly evolving tech and manufacturing industries. The data not only reveals which companies are currently favored, but also provides clues about future market directions and emerging investment themes. The Hong Kong Connect scheme facilitates a two-way flow of capital, allowing investors to gain exposure to a wider range of opportunities and contributing to the internationalization of China's capital markets. The weekly updates serve as an essential tool for financial professionals and individual investors alike to stay informed about the pulse of Asian markets and make data-driven investment decisions. Investors are keenly analyzing these flows for signals on market sentiment and potential investment opportunities, with particular attention on the sustained growth of tech and consumer-focused companies. That's all the news for today. Don't go anywhere yet, we've got a quick recap coming right up. And that's a wrap on today's essential updates. We saw the smart glasses market absolutely skyrocket with new launches from Meta and Xiaomi. Xiaomi is gearing up to unveil its next-gen Xiaomi 16 and HyperOS 3, promising major advancements. The budget-friendly Redmi 15 series is here, offering impressive displays and battery life. Finally, HK Connect Flows weekly shows significant investor interest across key Asian tech players like Xiaomi and BYD Electronic. If you found this packed with value, smash that like button, subscribe for more, ring the notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels to stay plugged in. See you next time.